In the vast expanse of the galaxy, numerous civilizations thrived under the protection of the Galactic Council, an esteemed institution dedicated to maintaining peace and order among the stars. This council, comprised of the most advanced and wise species, had integrated countless cultures, each with its own unique attributes and philosophies. Humanity's arrival onto this interstellar stage was unexpected. Their initial encounter with the wider cosmic community didn't unfold in the Council's grand halls or through established protocols of first contact. Instead, humanity's introduction to galactic affairs occurred in the dangerous void of space, on the fringe of the Tenebrium sector, where their ingenuity clashed with the predatory aggression of the Pack. Known for marauding fleets and ruthless piracy, the Pack had long defied the Council's attempts at pacification or integration. On this fateful day, a Pack fleet targeted a seemingly vulnerable prey. The diplomatic vessel Odyssey, carrying human ambassadors and scholars on a mission of exploration and outreach. The Odyssey, not designed for combat but for diplomacy, faced imminent capture or destruction. Yet, against all odds, the humans aboard displayed an extraordinary ability to adapt and innovate. Under the leadership of Captain Elena Meles, the Odyssey transformed from a diplomatic shuttle into a bastion of unconventional resistance. The ship's communication array, usually used for diplomatic messages, emitted a disruptive high-frequency pulse that threw off the Pack's targeting systems. Its propulsion engines, designed for gentle travel between stars, were pushed beyond limits to execute sudden bursts of speed and unpredictable maneuvers, confounding the Pack's gunners. Even the physical layout of the Odyssey became a weapon. Bulkheads and airlocks were repurposed to create choke points and traps for boarding parties. Maintenance drones, typically used for repairs, were adapted for defensive roles. In this clash between human innovation and Pack aggression, the Odyssey's crew demonstrated not only resilience but also a profound capacity for creative problem-solving in the face of danger. This unexpected skirmish on the edge of known space would forever alter the Council's perception of humanity, marking the beginning of humanity's journey as a significant player in the galactic community. In a pivotal skirmish, the human crew aboard the Odyssey demonstrated extraordinary adaptability and resilience. As they engaged with the enemy Paro fleet, the humans dynamically reprogrammed their ship systems on the fly to disrupt and hinder their opponents. What stood out most was their ability to transform perceived weaknesses into strategic advantages. Rather than being constrained by the limitations of their technology, the human crew ingeniously repurposed every available resource. They leveraged their deep understanding of the Odyssey's systems not merely as design tools, but as versatile instruments adaptable to the urgent demands of combat. This tactical ingenuity allowed them to surprise and outmaneuver the Paro fleet, compelling them to retreat in confusion. Word of this improbable victory spread swiftly throughout the galactic community, sparking a range of reactions among the esteemed members of the Galactic Council. The Council, renowned for their wisdom and stewardship of the cosmos, deliberated intensely on how to respond to this newfound emergence of humanity. They recognized that a species capable of such rapid and effective adaptation under pressure could pose both significant opportunities and potential challenges. Acknowledging the strategic value of an ally with such resourcefulness, as well as the risks of a formidable adversary, the Council made a historic decision. In a gesture of recognition and invitation, the Galactic Council extended an offer to Earth, inviting humanity to join the diverse array of civilizations across the galaxy. This invitation was not solely a testament to humanity's survival skills and innovative spirit, but also an acknowledgement of their distinctive perspective on survival and conflict. Thus commenced humanity's transition from isolation to integration within the broader galactic community. Their journey was distinguished not merely by technological prowess or military might, but by their innate ability to improvise and innovate. The Galactic Council, previously acquainted with many species, found in humanity a new and intriguing presence. The initial encounter with the Paro fleet marked a turning point, where humanity's unique approach to challenges began to resonate throughout the galaxy. It was a testament to the universal truth that to humans, every obstacle could potentially become a tool for overcoming adversity. The incident where marauders transformed a seemingly benign diplomatic vessel into an impromptu battleship sent shockwaves through the galactic community. Intrigued and somewhat apprehensive, the Council devised a series of challenges on a remote asteroid to gauge the full scope of human resourcefulness and adaptability. Human delegates, along with representatives from various interstellar civilizations, were transported to the asteroid, which had been terraformed into a series of complex environments, each designed to simulate potential crisis scenarios. These ranged from dense jungle-like foliage to arid, canyon-filled deserts, making the asteroid a microcosm of the universe's diverse ecosystems. As the challenges commenced, the competitors employed a range of strategies. The Krang species used brute force, while the Vorin relied on sophisticated technology. Yet, it was the humans who consistently captured the Council's attention. Their approach, marked by an unorthodox blend of pragmatism and creativity, stood out. In one scenario, faced with a hostile environment and limited resources, the human team repurposed a standard-issue communication device into a beacon. They amplified its signal using the asteroid's natural crystal formations to create a distress signal that could reach their orbiting ship. This ingenuity not only ensured their survival, but also demonstrated a profound understanding of their surroundings. In another challenge designed to test combat prowess, the humans transformed the arena's debris and natural features into an array of defensive structures and traps. They fashioned slingshots from vine-like plants, used reflective minerals to create blinding light signals, and even turned their own life support systems into explosive devices to stun their opponents. As each scenario unfolded, the Council members observed with a mixture of admiration and concern. The humans' capacity to adapt and thrive, to see potential in the ordinary, suggested a form of intelligence that was as formidable as it was unpredictable. The final challenge was a test of diplomacy and strategy. The teams were required to negotiate a peace treaty under escalating tension and limited time. The humans, leveraging their diverse cultural background and experience with Earth's own history of conflict resolution, facilitated a dialogue that acknowledged each party's concerns and aspirations, crafting a treaty that was fair, balanced, and sustainable. As the challenges concluded, the Council convened to deliberate on humanity's performance. It was evident that humans possessed a unique blend of resilience, ingenuity, and strategic thinking. Their ability to turn any situation to their advantage, to find utility and weaponry in the most benign objects, was unparalleled. The Council recognized that such a species could greatly contribute to the cosmos's stability or, if alienated, could become a formidable adversary. Thus, they resolved to extend an offer of alliance to humanity, inviting them to join the Galactic Council as equal partners in stewarding peace and prosperity across the stars. As the human delegation prepared to return to Earth, they were unaware of the significant role they were about to play in the galaxy's future. Their demonstration of human resourcefulness on the asteroid had not only secured their place in the galactic community, but had also set the stage for a new era of collaboration and mutual respect among the stars. Following their eye-opening performances in the Council's challenges, humanity stood on the brink of a new galactic era. The Galactic Council, now fully aware of human potential, convened in their Grand Chamber, a vast, starlit arena where matters of cosmic importance were deliberated. They resolved to extend an olive branch to Earth, proposing an alliance that would integrate humanity's unique talents into the galactic fold. Back on Earth, news of the delegation's success spread like wildfire across the planet. From sprawling urban centers to remote villages, people watched in awe and anticipation as their representatives returned, heralding a new chapter in human history. The prospect of joining the Galactic Council not only affirmed humanity's place in the cosmos, but also offered a beacon of hope for a united Earth, transcending terrestrial conflicts and rivalries. The official ceremony marking the alliance was to be held on Earth, a gesture of goodwill from the Council and a nod to humanity's rising status. Dignitaries from across the galaxy arrived in their magnificent ships, each a marvel of engineering and a testament to the diversity of life beyond Earth. The event was held at the United Nations headquarters, which had been transformed to accommodate beings with various environmental needs and gravitational preferences. Ambassador Zerk, now a familiar face among humans, played a pivotal role in the proceedings. He delivered a speech that resonated not just through the assembly hall but across the globe, broadcast to every corner of Earth. Today, he proclaimed, "We stand not as disparate beings from distant worlds but as members of a galactic community, united in our quest for peace, understanding, and prosperity. Humanity's induction into the Council was met with applause and a sense of collective achievement. But the alliance was more than a ceremonial union. It was a strategic partnership that leveraged human ingenuity for galactic benefit. Humans began to work alongside their alien counterparts in various fields: technology, defense, exploration, and diplomacy. Earth became a bustling hub of interstellar activity, a testament to its newfound status. Yet, the alliance was not without its challenges. Integrating such a diverse species into the galactic framework required adjustments on both sides. Humans had to acclimate to the realities of interstellar politics and the intricacies of interacting with alien cultures. Conversely, the existing council members had to adapt to humanity's dynamic and sometimes unpredictable nature. Despite these hurdles, the alliance flourished. The human ability to view the world through a lens of boundless possibility led to innovations and solutions that had eluded the galaxy for eons. From repurposing existing technology to crafting new diplomatic strategies, humans were instrumental in addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing the Council. As this chapter closed, Earth no longer looked the same. The night sky, once a tapestry of distant, twinkling lights, was now a panorama of activity and cooperation. Ships from countless worlds crossed the heavens, a visible symbol of Earth's integration into a larger community of stars. Ambassador Zirk, reflecting on the journey in his journal, penned a poignant observation. Humans, with their relentless curiosity and adaptability, have not just found their place among the stars. They have redefined what it means to be part of the galactic community. In their quest to turn everything into a weapon, they wielded the most powerful one of all: unity.